Justin Baldoni's $400 million lawsuit against Blake Lively has been dismissed by a judge. I know it's been a while since we talked about the Blake Lively and Justin Baldoni back and forth lawsuits, but we have an important update for you. According to People magazine, they said in a major setback for Justin Baldoni, It Ends With Us director stars countersuit against Blake Lively, Ryan Reynolds, and their publicists, as well as his lawsuit against the New York Times, has been tossed out by the judge. Today, Judge Louis L. Lyman granted the motion to dismiss the $400 million lawsuit filed by Baldoni and Wayfair parties against Lively and Reynolds, which alleged extortion and defamation, as well as $250 million defamation lawsuit against the New York Times. The judge did note that Baldoni's legal team can still amend the claims for a breach of implied covenant and tortious interference with the contract if they choose to, with a deadline by June 23rd. In a quote, the Wayfair parties have not alleged that Lively is responsible for any statements other than the statements in her CRD complaint, which are privileged, Judge Lyman wrote in the opinion and ordered filing viewed by People. The Wayfair parties have alleged that Reynolds and the publicist Leslie Sloan made additional statements accusing Baldoni of sexual misconduct, and that the Times made additional statements accusing the Wayfair parties of engaging in a smear campaign. But the Wayfair parties have not alleged that Reynolds, Sloan, or the Times would have seriously doubted these statements were true based on the information available to them, as it is required for them to be liable for defamation under applicable law. The judge added that the Wayfair parties' additional claims also fail. Accordingly, the amended complaint must be dismissed in its entirety. Blake Lively's attorneys call the decision a total victory and a complete vindication for the actress and the others whom Justin Baldoni and the Wayfair parties dragged into their retaliatory lawsuit, including Ryan Reynolds, Leslie Sloan, and the New York Times. In their statement, they said, as we have said from day one, this $400 million lawsuit was a sham, and the court saw right through it. They said in their statement, adding that we look forward to the next round, which is seeking attorney's fees, treble damages, and punitive damages from the Wayfair parties who say they perpetrated this abusive litigation.